Hello and welcome to Southwest France. Today, well, the last week Dan's been away and I went to a plant fair last week and at the plant fair I bought a tree that Dan's always wanted, which is a weeping willow. So I'm going to dig a hole and plant the tree. We've been really lucky with this garden when we found this house. The front garden, or what we call the front garden, the garden that's to the right of the property as you come in the gate, has got a lot of mature specimen trees. The one right in the middle of the shot over there is an Indian bean tree, and in May time it comes out with beautiful white flowers that look similar to orchid flowers. This one right in the middle that looks bare is a ginkgo. We've had a really hot summer this year, but now we're in November and you can see that the tree has produced new leaves. So there are new leaves all over the tree. We're probably only talking about a matter of weeks before they drop off. And then we've also got this, which is a mature mulberry tree, and it produces really sweet berries in the summertime. And there are a couple of other ones in the garden as well. Obviously the big cedar at the end looks majestic, and then right down the other past the swimming pool we have some oak trees and a little woodland. Oh, and this one here is an albizia, and that flowers in middle of summer, and it's got pink, flamingo pink flowers on it that are all frilly and fluffy. It's a really pretty tree. So we just want to carry on with the theme of planting specimen trees. So we've got a willow, which I bought the other day. I've dug a hole and it's going in there. Okay, so I've dug the hole, I've put a post in, the wind door comes in this direction, so the post is facing for home. Before I do that, I've got some bolts. Yeah. Well, it's only a little tree at the moment, but I'm expecting big things from it. Probably should have a crown on, shouldn't I? Should have got our new king to plant the tree with a silver spade. Right. I'm going to mound it up quite a lot. It'll settle over the next couple of weeks. We'll probably get some more rain. Great, there you have it. Yeah. So this is Paulonia I'm putting in. It's the other tree. It's got purple flowers. Just giving it a good drink. The soil is about that much wet soil, and we've had rain for 2 days. And underneath it's just bone dry, so I watered the bottom of the hole before planting the tree, and it's had water all through planting. So there we go, there's another couple of trees added to the trees that we've got in the front garden. Hope you enjoyed watching and see you on the next video.